Hey Bloomers, welcome to another episode of the Bloom Chat podcast. Today we'll be talking about NFTs and what minting means in the world of NFTs. If you're like us, there might have been a time in your life, or maybe you're in that time in your life where you were or are completely confused about what NFTs are. What are they? What do they mean? It seems like the whole world is talking about NFTs now. Everyone is minting, selling, buying, flipping, and maybe you're just completely confused, or maybe you're curious and you want to know about it to know if it's worth the hype or if it's something you want to hop on. So yeah, we're nice on this podcast and we've decided to use this episode to talk to you about NFTs. You may have heard about NFTs before and probably know that NFT stands for non-fungible token. But the real question is, do you really know what NFTs are? Before we start, let's go back to high school economic classes for a second, where everyone probably first learned about the properties of money. So we learned that money can be a medium of exchange that is durable, is fungible, and contains value. Now you might be thinking, are NFTs money? Not exactly. I simply wanted to draw your attention to the word fungible from the concept everyone is familiar with, dollar bills. At this point, you need to be very clear about the differences between fungible and non-fungible. So basically, fungible refers to terms or commodities that can be exchanged with other assets or commodities of the same type. For example, cryptocurrency is a fungible asset because it can be exchanged for other currencies, goods, or pay for services. On the other hand, something that is non-fungible cannot necessarily be easily exchanged for something of equal value. So this means that fungibility in its most simple terms is this means that a unit of Bitcoin, for example, in my wallet is the same as a unit of Bitcoin in yours, wherever you may be in the world. It refers to the property of an asset, like a Bitcoin or a dollar bill, right? That can be duplicated, interchanged, and essentially indistinguishable from another asset. With NFTs, the story is a little different, right? As the name implies, non-fungible tokens are a kind of cryptographic token in which each unit represents a unique asset. A simple way to think about NFTs are files that live on the blockchain. This means they can't be copy-pasted, edited, or otherwise manipulated. So since they're powered by smart contracts on the blockchain network, NFTs function as verifiable proofs of authenticity and ownership of anything in the digital or physical world. So NFTs can represent art, collectibles, music, photos, gifts, virtual games, digital books, prints, documents, anything basically. So now you know all the basics about NFTs and what exactly makes them so valuable. But do you know how to make an NFT, let alone sell one? An NFT is minted by converting digital data into crypto collections or digital assets recorded on the blockchain. This process makes it an official commodity that can be bought or sold on an NFT marketplace. If you have a digital asset that you'd like to convert into an NFT, here's the simple minting process and how it works. So step 1, you purchase a cryptocurrency, Ethereum or any other compatible crypto. In order to sell and create your NFT, you'll need some cryptocurrency of your own, in most cases, Ethereum. Step 2, decide on which NFT marketplace you want to use. So there are a number of NFT marketplaces that you can choose from. One of the best you could check out is OpenSea and Nifty Tribe. Step 3, connect your digital wallet to the chosen NFT platform. The type of digital wallet you choose might determine how to connect your wallet. So this could be via a QR code scanner or download your wallet onto your computer. So you just need to check the options that are available for you. Step 4, you need to create your NFT. So on the homepage of your chosen NFT marketplace, you should see a button that allows you to create or mint your NFTs. Step 5, pay gas fees. The final step is to pay gas fees, which is essentially a transaction fee, most likely to be charged in Ethereum. And that's it. You can now create and mint your very own NFTs on a marketplace that you choose. Like I said earlier, a number of popular marketplaces such as OpenSea and Nifty Tribe use lazy minting as a minting process for NFTs. Using a few advanced techniques, it's possible to defer the cost of minting an NFT until the moment it's sold to its first buyer, because I'm sure you've heard about gas fees and how annoying they can be. So these marketplaces basically allow you to defer the cost of minting until it's time for you to, until you've sold it, and then you can pay the cost. The charge involved in minting is rolled into the same transaction that assigns the NFT to the buyer. Lazy minting is when the minting process doesn't actually take place until the NFT is purchased, at which point the purchaser incurs the fees. This means you as an NFT creator may not always have to pay to mint your NFTs. And that's it for today's session on the Bloom Chat podcast. We hope you learned something new on NFTs today. We definitely look forward to having you on another exciting and educative session with you. Until then, bye.